Hello, Basic versus Advanced English YouTube channel. This is first sentence I think. You can say in advance, it is my conviction that. म्हणजेच माझा ठाम विश्वास आहे की. I don't know. I don't know means in advanced English I am unsure about that. म्हणजेच मला याबद्दल खात्री नाही. Next sentence I like it. I like it in advanced English. It appealed to me. म्हणजेच हे मला आकर्षित करते. I don't like it in advanced English. It doesn't sit well with me. म्हणजेच हे मला पटत नाही. I am busy. You can say in advanced English I am tied off. म्हणजेच मी सध्या व्यस्त आहे. Next sentence I am tired. You can say in advanced English I am running on fumes. म्हणजेच मी खूप थकलो आहे. Friends, you can say I am busy this way also. I am tied up at the moment. Means मी सध्या व्यस्त आहे. Otherwise you can say in short like that I am tied up. And next sentence it's easy. You can say in advanced English it's a breeze. Means हे अगदी सोपे आहे. Next sentence it's difficult. You can say in advanced English it's an uphill battle. Means हे खूप कठीण आहे. Guys, look at the next sentence. It's important. You can say this way. It is paramount important. Means हे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे आहे. Next sentence it's not important. It's a trivial matter. It's a trivial matter. You can say in advanced English. It's a trivial matter. Means हे क्षुल्लक प्रकरण आहे. It's expensive. It's expensive in advanced English. It's burn a hole in my pocket. Means हे खूप महाग आहे. Friends, creating high quality content like this take a lot of efforts and time. Your subscriptions, like and share motivate us to create even better videos. So please don't forget to like this video, share it and let us know your thought in the comment. Thank you for your support. Thanks again, friends. I understand. You can say this way in advanced English. It makes perfect sense to me. म्हणजेच हे मला पूर्णपणे समजले. Next sentence wait a moment. Wait a moment in advanced English. Allow me a moment. म्हणजेच मला थोडा वेळ द्या. And last sentence let's start. You can say in advanced English let's get the ball rolling. म्हणजेच चला सुरुवात करूया. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.